Hey everybody, Brian here at 10:20 May 10th evening. Just so you know, I'm not feeling too good, but I just thought I'd still try to do the video as best as I can. I just put up a posting earlier today, Fibonacci Levels webinar. You can just go on my blog at quantlabs.net blog. Look up or search for Fibonacci Levels webinar as Gambler Crack the Horse Racing Code. In there, you will find Fibonacci Levels webinar, as well as all the details for when it takes place on May 13th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So as you know, I put up a posting on a new script I've developed that goes over the Fibonacci levels. I just wanted to show you the freshest ones I could get for Bitcoin and Ethereum, since they're doing fairly well. First one we'll look at is Bitcoin. This is over the last 2 days. So the price of Bitcoin has gone from approximately 60, 50, maybe 60, 75, all the way up to here at the Fibonacci level of between 64.50 and 64.50. So you can see here, this is the levels that we want to track for Fibonacci: 618 and 786 and even 100. Because Bitcoin is powering through these levels, one of these two levels at the 786 or the 618 will become a new support for Bitcoin over the next few days if the price continues to go up, which surprisingly it is. But things are looking pretty good. Here's some of the RSI hits just after May 10th, where it touches and goes over 70 on the RSI and peaks out on the momentum, and then it starts to peter up. So it's starting to peter out again, but as long as the volume's there to drive it up, it'll continue, I guess. So there is, I'll do this again. This is a 2-day view on the hourly data on the price, and I'll show you the Ethereum now. So Ethereum's doing all right too. It's a little more volatile, but again, it broke through here. You can see here some of the volatile moves down. I think this is in line with Bitcoin against US. Now again, remember, this is against USDT, US dollar, Tether. So this is found on Binance. So again, we hit not quite momentum, but it tapers off and it drops a little bit here. See that downwick, and then it starts to build back up. In terms of the Fibonacci level, once again, I think over the next few days you'll start to see the 618 level be established here at this price. At not sure what the price is, but we can always tell it down here at the 172.91, at the 786 level at 174.32, and maybe at 176.11 for the level 100. So that's a story there. So what I'll do is I'll now generate the 7-day so you can see how well Bitcoin has been running. First I'll do Ethereum. Oops. So I'll do the 7-day, not the 2-day I just showed you. And we'll do the same thing with Bitcoin. 7-day. Again, this is all hourly data. So we've updated everything. But you can see how these are so dependable at 382, always 618, and then you can expect it to bounce at the 618 level. Didn't quite break through the 786 level, and it hit the 100, and it's bounced around since then. So it's pretty clear to me that the 618 level at 173, price of 173, will be probably the next support level for Ethereum. Same thing with Bitcoin here. It's nothing but moving up, or trending up, I should say. And here you can see 786, that level at 63,113 appears to be the new support level. And the way it's going, I wouldn't be surprised that maybe this new level at 64.98 may be the new support level in coming days if the volume starts to continue. As you can see here, it's doing well. It does hit these RSI levels, and it still just keeps building up, and the momentum is rarely below, since May 8th, has barely gone negative on the hourly data. Pretty strong, and yeah, keep on watching it. On that, we shall talk to you later. Hopefully you got some use out of it later.